Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Elliott Master Life Trading Channel. This is August 8th, 2020. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Let's get back to some trading after our last holiday weekend of the summer. Alright, let's get started. Please hit like and subscribe if you learned something. Tell your friends, come trade with us. Okay. So gold's already at negative 15. The rest of the market are all negative also. Right now we are at 19.4. Low of the day was 1912.4. The high was 47.5. Okay, so it looks like we're still correcting. We've been talking about it since last week. 1900 will be a great number to correct, but our real last target, if the market is gonna keep going up, is around 1860, between 1850 to 1860. Okay, let's wait till the market opens here. We'll have 4 minutes. So they're saying the dollar is up, so it's making gold drop. There is no major report coming out, so there's nothing to worry about that. Let's see if there's any other news. Australian unemployment eases again. Weekly payroll data shows small business optimism rebounds. That's about it. Nothing really happening. So it looks like the ES, YM, and NQ and Russell are still trying to reach some correctable numbers. So we're going to open up with a gap, inside gap, no, I'm sorry, it'll be a gap to the upside. So we'll get a feel for it, see if they want to close the gap. So that's a gap move. No Elliott signals on that, but we'll start to look for patterns and see if we could pick them up. But we'll go for a gap play if that is what's required at first. Almost forgot about our disclaimer here. Let me get our disclaimer. Alright. Any views expressed in this channel, Elliot Wave Master YouTube channel, are those of the author only. Any communications is for informational discussion and entertainment purposes only, and does not constitute of investment advice, nor is an incentive to invest or an offer to buy or sell futures commodities or solicitation to buy or sell any investment product / asset class in any jurisdiction. Any views, valuations of ever expressed or quoted buy or sell trades are only estimates and are subject to change. All investment ideas discussed in this channel may involve high risk, and there is a possibility of total loss, or that losses may exceed the amount invested. This is the sole responsibility of the investor to ensure that he or she complies with all applicable laws and regulations. Elliot Wave Master Channel is not licensed investment advisor or commodity trading advisor, nor is it licensed as such with any federal or state regulatory agency. Investors and traders are responsible for their own investments, trading decisions, including entries, exit, and usage of stops. The author is not responsible for any loss or damage arising from or in connection with the use of any information from this channel. So basically, if you follow our trades, you're following at your own risk. Please always use stops. Okay, that's out of the way. Okay, we have, oh, it's open already. Okay, so it looks like they're going for a, okay, let's see if we could take a long anywhere here. I got my finger on the bid. Should have been on already instead of reading the disclaimer, but it is what it is. Just looking for an opportunity, trying to see if it will try to close any more of the gap. Maybe I'll try to do an ABC here. If it does an ABC, trying to close the gap, it will go all the way down to 18.8. Oh, exactly on target. 18.8. Right there. I'm going long. So I have two ATM strategies. I have a 10 tick with 15 tick stop, and then I have a 30 with a 25 tick stop. Oh, may take us out here. Oh, that was close, but we may get taken out here. If this is just a correction, they may completely forget about this gap on the upside and just close it another day.
Stop fill.
Well, that's it. Okay. Alright, we're 150 negative here. Selling pressures coming in. I'm taking a long. Let's see if we can get a wave C action going here. Target, it's at, if this is C, we have several targets. I'm going to plot them out right now. It could also be a wave 3. And I'll plot those out also. I'm just doing some oh, come on. Let me give myself some more room on this trade here. Okay, let's color them in. So we're going to do C. I'll just make them all green, okay? All lime. Let me give myself some more room here. Oh man. It's hard narrating and trading at the same time. There's so much to do. I'm going to give myself some more room right here. Okay, those are our targets. So that's C, and those are all wave 3 targets. Should have started to go up already. Not good.
Stop fill.
Oh man. Okay. Not a good start. Okay, I'm going to take one more trade, otherwise we are done for the day. Alright. So definitely not an ABC. I mean, inside correction zigzag here, but if we are on a wave 1 down or a wave A, target is right here. Maybe we are on a flat sideways ABC, but nothing is really clear now. Let's see about a wave B to the upside. Ooh, we're on a wave B already. Wave B would be right here. I'm going short.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm going short to see if we could do a wave C to the downside. So that would be beginning of A, beginning of B, beginning of C. So targets, first target is right here. Second target is right here. I'm gonna go for the second target. Try to make some of this money back so we could stay in the game. You're welcome to get out anytime you want, obviously. But oh, okay. So it hit first target. Seems like it wanted to bounce off. I have my finger on the stop and ready.
Order cancel.
Order cancel? What the hell did I... Oh man, what the hell happened here? What? Oh man.
Order submitted.
How did that happen?
Order submitted.
Yeah, my finger on the stop, so I use the Ninja Trader chart trader. So I clicked on already, and it's ready to drop anywhere I wanted to. So if I see it struggling, I'll drop it so I could come out with some profit. Come on. There we go. Keep going, keep going. So our target is more than a tick above the low, so if it keeps going down, pretty proud it will definitely hit our target. It's not a bouncing off area. So it looks like they're forgetting about the gap, unless, oh, come on baby, keep going. Unless it will bounce off of the low and go all the way up and close the gap. I think it will kind of depend on the rest of the market, but it looks like YM is already 500 points down. In Q it's 400. Come on, keep going. Selling pressure is definitely on. No big numbers on time and sale. Here we go. Come on, keep going, keep going.
Order filled.
Order filled. Okay, I need. Ooh, get that out of there.
Order cancel.
Oh, close. Okay, we're back to zero. All right, we made back our 330 negative. Okay, so what are we looking at? Are we really looking at an ABC correction, or this could be a wave 3 to the downside? If this is a wave 3 to the downside, let's plot it real quick. So this would be beginning of 1, beginning of 2, and beginning of 3. So First target was already hit. We got that already. This is the second target of wave 3, and this is the third. So wave 5 and wave 1 will always have 3 targets. Those are usually the longest waves. Everything else will have 2 targets. So A, B, C, we could be doing, no. We could be doing a double zigzag also. Or we could be doing, there's many things we could be doing here. A triple zigzag, but right now all I see is a double zigzag, or we are on wave 3. Alright, we are back. We are live again. Got some more coins to play again. They let us back in the game. So it did not hit our low of the day, so it looks like it'll probably be going down again. I'll probably take another short. Target would be the low of the day, but I'm seeing some buying pressure here. It hit our target on the nose. Which was our second wave C. Okay, so could this be a wave 3? No, wave 3 is always the longest wave. So let's do a line right there. Hold on, I'm doing a line here. I'm doing this off of my main chart that I look at. So there it is. So that is definitely not wave. So wave 1 is longer than 3 in this instance, so it's not wave 3. So it's probably a zigzag. We may see another zigzag here, then it will be a double zigzag. A, B, C, W, A, B, C, X. So this could be a Y wave. But nothing is clear. We don't need this anymore because that is not a wave 2, because this is shorter than 1. So it's just an ABC correction, right? Because it stopped right at our second C target. Alright, so 1. So A, B, let's figure out where, if this, alright, so we are on a wave 2 or a B. If we are on a wave 2 or B, already past target. Oh, if I'm going short again. I'm going short. Oh, maybe if we don't get filled real quick, I'm out.
Order filled.
Order filled. He's going for a 10 tick right before we hit our low. Come on. Order fill. Come on. Order fill. Go. Go. Come on. Did it hit the low?
Target filled.
Okay. We're exactly 100 points positive. So this was not a wave. So maybe it's a longer wave. Maybe we're doing... Hold on. Let's try to figure this out. I'm not in a hurry now, because now we're starting to bounce off of that low. So if it's going to go back up, like I talked about, maybe it will close the gap now. Maybe this was a wave C, beginning of one, beginning of A, beginning of B, C. So it looked like C was right where, that's C right there. That's C. So let's figure it out. Let's check out a wave 1 to the upside. Okay, wave 1 is right here. Target 1 is right there. Target, that's magenta. Let me fix this to magenta. Okay. I'm gonna do let me write this down. C and B. So C is gonna be the color of 1, and B is gonna be the color of whoops. All right. So wave A is gonna be same color as 1. I'll do this later. All right, so we're past that. Ooh, okay. So we're past that target. Hit the low. Are they going to go for gap closure? Let's see what happens once it passes 19.1. All right, we're positive $100. So we went negative 330, made our money back, and now we are positive. Trading right at the bell is hard because of this, because you have no idea where the market wants to go. So, but I'm a gap player, so I go for them gaps. So we are right now at a resistant area. I'll make this red. That's resistant right there. It looked like it hit it with a candle wick, but we also have major resistance, and I'll draw that also. Ooh, let's see if it wants to bounce off of here. This is the resistant area from the first pivot of the opening bell. Right there. So what could this be? We could be doing a B C or 1 2 3 to the downside from here. Oops, you can't see that. Hold on. From here, A B C. Let me plot that if this is a possibility. So it would be a wave B to the B side, I mean to the upside, right? So it would be 1, that's the beginning of B right there. So I'm going to have to draw a new one. All charts, yellow. That's the target right there. If this is a wave 1, wave 2, or a big ABC correction down. So that would be in a longer time frame. It could actually extend a little more up to, but ooh, I may be going for long here. Let's plot a little wave. So it'll be 1, 2, or ABC. It needs to come all the way down to this area here. If it is going down, it doesn't look like it. I'm going long. I'm going long. Target up there. Give myself a little more room here. Ooh, come on. Again, I got my finger on the stop. Ready to get out. My stop is floating. Ready to drop at entry or a little bit closer. Alright, so we are passing our first resistant area. Woo! Seeing some selling pressure. I'm getting out. I'm out. I'm out. We're at 210. 210. I'm out. I saw some selling. I may take a short. We could see another. No, it's going up again. I don't care. I'm out. All right, we are at $210 positive. Before I may take a short here. I'm going short. 10 ticks. I got my finger on the stop, ready to drop it. Come on. Ooh. Not looking good here. Not looking good. Okay, I'm going to let go of the stop and I'm going to raise my... Come on, get me out. I'm out. All right, 250. Guys, I need to take a restroom break here. Oh man, woo! It went all the way down, huh? Wow. Okay, so what am I seeing here? Not really seeing anything. Looks like a flat. We're going sideways. So we hardly even reached a new low. I mean, it was just like 1 point. Is that what it was? So market is not interested in going for lows. So it looks like it's probably going to close the gap here. I'm going to be looking for a long, going long, going long. I'm going to that original target right there. So this could be a wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2 to the upside. Let me just make sure that this is correct here. And I'm going to be doing that but by seeing where wave, okay. This should have been a little shorter than this here. I may have anticipated this trade here. Come on. Yep, I think I may have taken this prematurely. It may take all of our profits out. Should have been a little bit patient after I saw. Oh man, I'm gonna give myself a little more room, but I think I prematurely took this. I'm gonna lower my target, see if it will let me out at entry. Yep. Oh man, that was a mistake. We're gonna be negative again. Alright, prove me wrong, market. Prove me wrong. If it bounces off of 17.1, we're good. But it can go all the way down to 16.5. You know what, I'm gonna leave this. If it comes back up, maybe we're golden. I'm going to lower my target to 22.1. Alright, we need to stay above 17.5. Nope. There it is. Not good. Ah, man. Alright, we're going to be negative 300 again. There it is. Ooh. Maybe we just made it. We are right. Oh, no. We are right at correction. If we're going to do a retracement, we're right at 50. Market usually very happy with 50. But no, looks like it's going to take us out.
Stop fill.
Yep. Bummer. Prematurely took that trade. We're negative 150. Maybe we're on a wave 3 now. This could be a wave 3. I'm going long again.
Order submitted.
I'm going long. Come on, get me in. Come on. Oh, come on. I should have did a buy ask, not. Look at that, it's halfway already. Oh! 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 That pisses me off. And I raised it a couple times, huh? You guys saw that. That pisses me off. Oh man. What a bummer. That would have been a nice little trade. That would have been a 2-pointer. Well, if we are still on a wave 3, there's still a lot of room to the upside. So this was beginning of 1, beginning of 2, and beginning of 3. So there's a whole bunch of targets up there. That's the first one right there. I'm going to make these the other targets. I'll just change the color. Oh man, that would have been a nice little trade. Would have made our money back. Okay, I'm going to be looking for another long again. I'm going to look for a little bounce off of this. Let's see how the market's. It could. Let's see. Let's do a wave B down from this, just a little. So I'm going to be looking to. Let's see if there's more. There's more buying pressure. It's going up. I'm going up. Let's go. Let's go. First target. It looks like it's trying to close this gap. So we don't need this anymore. Put that aside. Put this aside. I'll just reuse these another time. But those are our targets right there. Okay, so wave 1, so there'll be A, B, C. Wave 2 to the upside. Wave 3 to the upside. So this is where wave 2 ends, and this is where wave 1 begins, and that's our target all the way up there. So wave 1 right here. A, B, C, and then A, B, C all the way up, which turns into a wave 3. All right, we're almost positive again. Come on, keep going. So it looks like it happened as I predicted. It hit a low, it hit the low of the day a little bit more, and then it bounced back up to close the gap. It may still turn around, but NQ is making a comeback. It's only negative 200 points. ES and YM is going sideways. So always do a inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, except for wave B. Wave B is the only one that does a ABC inside. Everything else will do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including wave A and C. So we could be doing a start of a wave 2. Let's see where wave 2 would be. A wave 2 inside of wave 3. So that's the beginning This will be the end. So wave 2 is somewhere right here. It's where our stop is. So let's hope the market keeps on going up. But if I see any selling pressure, I will raise that stop, which I already clicked on it, and I'm ready to drop it anywhere. All right. No big numbers on time and sales. Still seeing some buyers. But it could be turning around. I'm tempted to get out of this. All right, I'm getting out.
Stop fill.
All right. Negative 70. Maybe I got scared out of the trade. I don't know, but I want to live to fight another day. I'll look for another entry. But now I'm seeing buyers again, so yeah, it looks like I got scared out of the trade. I'm getting in again.
Order fill.
Getting in again. All right, keep going. Let's go. I don't care if I lose commission. I could always make it back with profit. So getting in and out, I don't care as long as I get out with a profit. Come on, let's go. Very challenging day. NQ is under 200 negative now. YM and ES still going sideways. We're only negative 8 points on GC. Come on, big spike up. Let's go. I'm going to lower my target just a smidge. Come on, keep going, keep going. Okay, I clicked on my stop. I'm ready to drop it. I'm dropping it. I'm out. I'm out. I'll look for another entry. Positive 90. So twice already we went from negative back to positive. Very challenging day.
Reversing.
Okay, let's look for another wave 2 to the downside. That's right here. Let's see if we could buy at a lower point. I'm going to change my ATM strategy to 30 tick target, 25 tick stop. So I'm not doing the 10 ticks anymore. Let's see if we could have a little correction off of this wave here. That's what we're looking for. Please hit like, hit subscribe. So if this is a wave 2 inside of wave 3, a really good starting point to the upside would be halfway in. Let's see if there's a little C wave happening here. So it would be C to the downside. So that's the beginning of A. That's the beginning of B, right? So wave C is right here. First target, second target. But we're looking for wave 2 inside of wave 3. So wave 1, 2, and then going back up. And that would take us all, if this is a wave 2, that would take us all the way up to the last target of wave 3, which is all the way up there. Okay? It does happen. I may take a short here. I'm seeing some selling pressure. We just had a really big. Okay, I'm taking a short. I'm taking a short. I'm going right there. Oh, come on. That looks so good for a second. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Not happy how that looked. Get me out. Come on, get me out. Oh, it might have been. Come on. I didn't like that spike up. I'm gonna get out with some I'll get out negative on this one. Just get me out. Come on, get me out. I would actually be going long now if I was not. Oh man. This may take us out. Yep. We need a miracle here. We need a miracle. I did not like how that moved. We're in trouble here. I saw that spike up here and that showed me buying pressure. We need to stay under 27.1, or maybe we'll see a linear regression channel to the downside, maybe a triangle here. That would be nice, but chances are we may be taken out of this one. Yeah, maybe a
target filled.
okay, I'm out. Lost some back to being only 70 positive. So we lost $30 on this one. hopefully we're seeing a channel, which I'm drawing right now. Hopefully this is a channel, will come all the way down here, but it looks like it's going up again. I'm in long, going for our original target. Actually a little higher, but yeah, our original target right there. I'm going for a little higher right there. It broke the channel, so usually when it breaks the channel, it's a big move to the upside or downside. So it looks like it was a zigzag correction, and now we should be back to the upside. It just needs to stay above 24.6. If it passes 24.6, then it's going for wave 2 target. Seeing a lot of pressure to the upside. Seeing a lot of buyers. Volume is definitely to the upside now. We may get a huge bar up. NQ is only negative 160. Come on, here we go. All right. If we reach our target, it'll be a really nice trade. It'll be 4 points. All right, so first obstacle that it's on our way, it's gonna be resistance from this pivot right here, and I'll draw a rectangle where resistance is. Oh, and it almost passed it already. Almost wasting my time here. Right there. So keep going. That's it. Keep going. Okay. So blew right through this resistance area. That is a good sign. I need to draw a line where where's my line? I'm gonna draw a line where, oop, that's not gonna work. Horizontal. I need a horizontal line. I'm going to draw a black line, and that is where the previous close was. Right up there. So it could be a target for the closing of our gap. All right, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. I got my finger on the stop, ready to drop it, because it almost hit our first target. It may want. Oh yes! Woo! There we go. All right, we are positive 500. Wow, from being negative 330 up $500. That's the way to do it. Woo! Challenging day. I may just call it quits here. 500 is a good number. Okay, there's still room to the upside to reach those other targets. So, original trade is that this is a wave 3. Remember, wave 1, 2, 3 to the upside. So 1, A, B, C, wave 3 all the way up. These are the targets. Now, what did we see inside of wave 3? So this is wave 2 here, which is a really short wave 2. Yeah. Right, we've been trading for 1 hour, $500 profit. I think I'm gonna call it. Very happy with $500. It was a struggle to reach $500. But yeah, I'm gonna call it, guys. It's a shorter trading week. All we have is 4 days, so I'm gonna take the first day as a profit. So I'm done. Thank you for watching us. Please hit like and subscribe. If you like to donate, if you made some money or if you learned something, hit our PayPal link in our banner on the main page. All right, thank you very much. I'm going to do a recap at the end of the day, talking about what we did today, and also doing a little outlook for tomorrow. All right, thank you everyone for joining us. Have a great rest of your day.